does A say? What does A say? Good. What does B say? B, that's right. What does C say? Say it louder. K. What does D say? Look, what does D say? D, that's right. What does E say? What does E say? What does E say? Let's put that one away a little bit later. Look, what does E say? What does E say? Eh, that's right. What does F say? Yes. What does G say? G, that's right. What does H say? Good. What does I say? I, it says I. What does J say? J. What does K say? Say it nice and loud. What does K say? Good. What does L say? What does L say? What does this letter say? O. What does M say? What does M say? No, look, it goes right here. What does M say? That's right. What does N say? Look, here's an N. What does N say? That's right. Here, Mama, help you. What does O say? Ah, good. Goes right here. Here. Look, what does P say? P, good. What does Q say? What does Q say? What does it say? What does Q say? Qu. What does R say? What does S say? Good. Look, it goes right here. Let Mama help you. S says S. What does T say? Good. Here, let Mama help you. We're going to try to go fast, okay? What does U say? What does V say? Good. What does W say? What does W say? Wah, wah. What does X say? Good. What does Y say? Yeah, that's right. Goes right here. Okay, one more. What does Z say? Zzz. Put it right here. Good job.